Have you ever wondered if a small, trendy online store is truly as reliable as it seems? As HLN.co is an online shop that offers dainty handmade jewelry, small bags, hair accessories, and organizers, promising an affordable and unique shopping experience. But when you look closer, the story is more nuanced. Their social media accounts appear active and visually appealing, yet engagement on posts often seems low or repetitive, leaving questions about how genuine the audience really is. The domain itself is fairly new, which doesn't automatically indicate a problem, but it does suggest that long-term credibility is still unproven. The product range is extensive, with many attractive items that fit a cohesive aesthetic, though some designs resemble pieces widely available from other sellers, making it unclear how unique the handmade aspect actually is. Customer feedback shows mixed experiences. Some buyers highlight the charm of the packaging, the reasonable pricing, and the overall appeal of the products, while others report issues such as delayed deliveries, differences between advertised and received items, and difficulties in reaching customer support, reflecting a variety of experiences that don't point definitively in either direction. Shipping policies, return options, and responsiveness seem to work fine for some but frustrating for others, which makes the overall reliability inconsistent. Taken together, as HLN.co offers products that can be visually appealing and affordable, but the combination of a new online presence, uneven customer experiences, and the occasional resemblance to widely available designs means it may not be perfect for everyone. It's a store where you might find something you love, yet it's wise to manage expectations and consider potential shipping or support challenges before committing, so shoppers can make a more informed decision without being swayed purely by the aesthetics or marketing.